What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we got an exciting video. Something just came in the mail. I've been waiting for 3 months for this package, and we're gonna open up right now. Are you guys ready? Watch. Ready? Finally got the Greddy exhaust in. It was been back ordered. Shout out to Sahib at Honeycombs Motorsports. It was back ordered. I had to wait about 3 months, but it was worth the wait. I don't really see too much people running this exhaust, and Nvidia, too much people have it, and told me is alright, but you know, for this, we're gonna see how it is. I'm gonna open up, so here we go. Boxes. So this is a full catback exhaust, non-resonated, I believe. The tip is a 4.5 tip, so it's huge. Big boy. Wrx. Alright, so this is a 4.5 inch tip, and then I got the extended burnt tip. This is so nice. Ready. So I actually gotta take this off, slap this on. Nice burnt tip look. So yeah, everything looks good so far, everything's sick. The muffler's fucking huge. Shout out to Greddy for making a sick exhaust system. I'll be heading out to Street Stars Customs. I gotta redo my wrap, my hood wrap, because it's fading, and we're gonna install this tomorrow, and we'll get some sick sound clips too. So. What's up, dog?
Creeper, 2 jack stands. Let's go put an exhaust in.
What's going on, bro?
Y'all
ready to do this?
Hell yeah.
So I test my short shifter and bushings. Alright, guys, so I just picked up Joe Yao. We are headed to Street Stars Customs. We're gonna do my exhaust, new roof wrap, and install my short shifters and bushings. So right now my exhaust system is the OEM system, ultra quiet resonator, and straight blast pipes, and a catalyst downpipe. When I got my car tuned before the resonator, it was super loud, and I put the resonator back in. Now we picked up the Greddy exhaust. It's non-resonated, so just one 3-inch pipe and one fat ass muffler. So right now, the inside noise, the cabin noise, it's not bad drone, right?
No, it's not that bad.
It's the ultra quiet, but I think when we put the exhaust in, it should be like more loud inside. So let's do a quick little pull. Woo! So inside's not too bad, but hopefully the new exhaust is not like crazy drone or anything. But we'll see you at the shop.
God damn. let's go.
So Peter, here you got beef, right?
Yeah, bro.
You got beef? The Greddy Wrx race, full exhaust, and we got a lot more to do. Fist it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, baby! Alright, so car's all jacked up, no more glass pipes. Time to take it all off, put the new exhaust in. What you doing there, buddy?
Yeah, maybe some tail light tint that someone messed up.
Hey, who messed it up?
I don't know, man. Not you.
This guy right here.
Not me.
Alright, pull it out, Joe. Pull it out. Pull it out.
That's caught.
Ultra quiet resonator, 2 blast pipes. Whoever wants this, let me know.
$400.
Doing the front shifter bushings, we gotta take that out. The heat shield, I got unbolts the front bushing, and that's it. We got the front and rear shifter bushings in. It was a pain in the ass, it was a bitch. Wouldn't recommend it, but thanks, shout out to Peter for coming and saving this. Putting gaskets, and then the hangers. We're gonna put them in pipe first. Can you push up on it or? All right, it's in. It's super slanted. I wish it was a bit more aligned, but it'll do for now. So we just installed the Greddy exhaust. Took us a while. We did the short shifter, or not the short shifter. We did the front and rear bushings, which took a while. And then we just put on the exhaust. No resonator, fat fucking can, 4.5-inch tip. And right now, like the drone is not too bad actually. Kind of sounds like the same as the Ultra Quiet, but it gives it that more deep, suby rumble that I was missing. So we'll get some more sound clips and. Yeah. That pop sounds like the same. Oh yeah. Pretty good. Honestly, it's inside. It sounds the same, but you can definitely tell like it's more deeper and throatier.
Faster?
So one thing that we gotta do is take off all this little wrap and lace a brand new one on top of it.
Really?
Pain in the
Yeah,
bitch.
you dropped the turbo in it. Brand new 2020.
Alright, so we just finally took off this piece of shit. There's a 5-year-old wrap that was been on ever since I got the car. Peter, want to show him the wrap? Yeah, bring on the.
Yes?
Huh? Oh yeah, you can. Oh, crazy.
Oh yeah. It's deeper. But it's not flaming yet. Need more gas.
Alright, so after an 8-9 hour day, took longer than expected, but shout out to my boy Peter and Joe. Respect, boy, respect. So we got one more surprise coming, which comes probably next month. So hope you guys like it.